Hey, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. So a question about installers and helpers. And so our operation, we run two-man teams for installation. And normally that's a lead installer and a helper. So lead installer, several years experience in cabinet installation, closet installation and things like that. Been with us, they're trusted. They can go out and they can work unaccompanied in the home. They can collect payment and they can solve problems. And they're normally, that's a higher dollar person that you're going to have on your team. And then we also run a helper, and those range. Sometimes we'll have two lead installers on a job. One guy acts as a helper, and sometimes we've got helpers that are literally with zero experience. So stuff that we use the helper for. So this is our job boxes that go into the van. So his responsibility, the helper's responsibility, is that all of this stuff gets carried into the job. He's carrying all of that stuff in. Basically, his job is that the installer doesn't move, that he has everything he needs and doesn't have to leave the closet. So he's bringing tools in, he's bringing materials in, he's setting them out. We've got a process of where we're going to place, verticals that are on the bottom there. They're going to go into the closet in a certain location. Those are going to come in first. Shelves, stacks of shelves are going to come in next. Drawers are going to come in last. On their way, they're going to bring parts in. On their way out of the house, they're going to take anything out that doesn't need to be there. So, if it's a wire shelf tear out, they're going to be taking that stuff out, keeping the area clean, doing stuff like that. And then from there, they progress to, we show them how, they're putting in adjustable shelves. We show them how to eyeball versus counting holes, putting in adjustable shelves. And then the next step there is from fixed shelves. So their goal is that we're going to bring that person into eventually a lead installer position. But two-man team like that running together, we do an amazing amount of work. Just so you know, so this is a job here. This is a $3,400 job. We'll send two guys out on that and working in tandem like that. $3,400 job. We're looking for $500 to $600 per man hour on the job. So we're gonna have two guys. 3,500 divided by 7 hours. We're going to be on the job, knocking on the door. Hi, how's it going? To pulling out of the driveway. We should be 3.5 hours on that installation with that two-man team. If it's a simple one, it'll be even higher. More complicated stuff takes a little bit more time, but we're able to, with a two-man team, very, very quickly take care of stuff. They're also in stuff that we're doing, like this is a project here for a home office. Home offices take more time. You've got more stuff that you need two people to do. Same with wall beds and stuff like that. At the same time, you don't need to send out a lead installer, so you've got a bigger supply of people in your work pool that can work as an assistant installer.